In this guide, I'll show you how to add music to your YouTube video if you've already uploaded it to YouTube. So from the YouTube home menu, what you want to do is select your profile picture in the top right corner, and from the drop down menu, you want to select YouTube Studio. Then take a look on the left sidebar and you want to select content, and this will show all of your videos. So what you want to do is click on the title of the video where you want to add your music. Once you're here, have a look on the left sidebar and select the editor option. Now, this is going to bring you to the video editor, and if you have a look down, you'll see audio. And to add audio to your video track, what you want to do is select the plus sign to add audio. Now, here's where you're going to see the audio library, and it has a bunch of different music to meet your needs. And there's also a search bar at the top if you're looking for a specific type of music. Now, do bear in mind for a lot of this audio, if you highlight this section right here, no attribution is required, so you don't have to do anything. You can just straight up add it, and your content will still be able to be monetized. So we're just going to select this one at the top. Feel free to add anything you'd like, and you can listen to it. When you press add, you'll actually be able to hear what the audio sounds like with your actual video. Now, I do recommend that you go to these line options here to adjust the mix level because it's going to be way too loud initially. What you want to do is turn down the mix level a lot and then listen to your video and see how it sounds as background music, unless you want it to be really loud, in which case you could leave the mix volume up. Now, once you're happy with the way it sounds, all you have to do is press save in the top right corner, and after a few hours or so, you'll now have that background audio. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.